if the argument is that they can't do, they can't increase tax rates on folks making $700,000 or $800,000 a year, that's not a persuasive argument to me, and it's certainly not a persuasive argument to the American people. Sometimes those hooks are more persuasive than others, but typically they're not put before Congress.
Love and Hillary. It's not entirely persuasive.
And I have yet to hear a persuasive argument from the left or the right as to why we wouldn't want to create a trade framework that raises labor standards, raises environmental standards, protects intellectual property, levels the playing field